Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a weekend in the life. Currently out for a little walk with my dog Shay.
That's happening, and it was a very good lap. Max Verstappen has just
Charles.
got another 10th to the good in his favour through the first sector.
We're at coffee. Watching IndyCar race number 1 right now, and I am in my Formula 1 inspired pants. I'm embarrassed to admit how long I just sat on the couch doing pretty much nothing. This is because I was filming. So we are going to decide if I should film more or if I should clean up and film tomorrow. I probably should film more today. Also, I wanted to show you my outfit today. Yes, I'm wearing my Ferrari pants, and no, the boys did not do well in qualifying today. But it's fine, because it's cute. So I just did the 3 product rule, and I used tinted eyebrow gel, blush, and mascara for my 3 products. And I love it. Simple, it doesn't look like I did too much, but it still gives me just a little enhancement. Now we're going to organize this because it has become chaotic and I cannot handle it. Okay, verdict is I'm gonna keep filming. I'm literally filming right here because I'm plugged into the wall. I'm using the fast charger so that I can get to filming. I am going to film some get ready with me's for August content, and then I am going to call it a day with the filming aspect of it. I feel like that is enough. I've done stuff for my Lemon 8, and now I am doing stuff for Instagram and YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So feels good, and obviously I'm filming for YouTube long form as well. Lots of things going on, but we're getting stuff done. Let's go. I want a girl boss too close to the sun, so we're taking the steps to do so. We have filmed, changed into a comfier outfit, and now to edit all of the things that I filmed. And I'm sorry if you can hear the construction. Our neighbors are like demoing their house and remodeling it. So I apologize because my window is open to get some fresh air in here. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'll catch up with you probably around dinner. We'll see. Time to do my skincare before I go to bed, and then I need to pick out my outfit for tomorrow because I am going to be walking my dog at an ungodly hour so that I can watch the F1 race. So I'm gonna take you along with me, and then I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I normally would wear my Ferrari gear tomorrow, but 1, they're not in great positions. Not that I'm a bandwagon and I will jump ship. That is not true at all. But I did originally go in to watching Formula 1 having a love for Lewis. And because he's on pole tomorrow, I will be wearing this in honor of him and in honor of a friend that I met through Instagram because of my love of F1 who loves Mercedes. Her and her husband are actually there this weekend. So Stilu, if you're watching this one's for you. And not only that, don't totally match, But because it is Daniel Ricciardo's first race back, we have to bring out the Enchanté merch. So I will be wearing this. And then lately it's been getting too hot for me if I'm walking in both sweats and a sweatshirt. So I've been wearing shorts or a t-shirt and sweats. So I'm going to do my black sweatpants. To wrap it all up, black sweatpants, Enchanté shirt, and hat, all at the ready. I'm gonna lay them out so that tomorrow I can literally roll out of bed, put them on, boom, walk out the door with the dog. With that, I'm going to get into bed. I'm gonna do my Duolingo Italian lesson, and I'll see you bright and early in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It's 5:30 and it's still dark out, as you can see, but we are on our walk. And this is the outfit together. I don't know if I'm getting the whole thing, but whatever, I tried. It's too early for this. How are you feeling, Mom? Let's go, Lewis. Lewis just had a horrible start. He might not even get a podium now. So this race is not good. Charles sped in the pit lane, got a penalty, had a very slow pit stop. Carlos is still in 7th, but he'll probably end up 6th because he's behind Charles. Lewis is in 5th, and he started in 1st. But Lando's 2nd, so that's nice. And Daniel Ricciardo is not doing great either.
In this race.
Mr. Grumpy's suddenly very happy. So he should be.
I'm gonna take a nap now. I'm gonna finish watching the podium celebrations. Then I'm napping. Then we have IndyCar and we have baseball. Very sports-filled day. Now we're watching some baseball because our friend got called up to pitch. That pitcher is not our friend though. So we'll see if he pitches today or not. Now we're watching IndyCar, and by we, it's mostly me. My parents are here, but are they paying attention? Kind of. You cutie girl. Okay. Time to make some lunch, and we are going to make my favorite lunch to make, which is an acai bowl. My dog's also been spoiled today already.
You got spoiled already, man?
We are waiting for my brother to do his dishes because I run my acai.
Mom, this is clean.
No, I just rinsed it.
Oh.
This
no
is
room.
so much.
I run water. I run water over this to melt it, to help it blend easier. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Have anything you want to say to my vlog?
Vlog. The video. Vlog. Video. What does it stand for? Video
I think it's video.
layer on deck. Vlog.
Miles, deck starts with a D, not a G. Okay.
Glutes.
Glutes is good. Turn this on. Oh. Most people and places top their acai bowls with honey, but I prefer agave. Show you my bowl. Not the most aesthetically pleasing thing though. Here it is. Races are over. It is now time to shower and get reset for the week. Now we're snuggling. The cutie moving. I'm going to get the family candy right now, but let's just appreciate the fact that I'm going out like this. Look at this. Store number 1 didn't have the candy request, so we're gonna try store number 2. We have got the candy right here. I'm gonna close the vlog out here. I just finished up my skincare and we finished the movie and I am so tired. I am ready for bed. So thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.